Ketenat penroi jengok kai Pyrthei juga sorkar Jylla Meghalaya Tourism hak handri torik nai wing klasoi soskular memorandum ban Kyrshan Borbah sponsor bat Rangdajied Football Club naga benta baroh shi ayam football jeng snem arjar arpulai hadu arpusau. Dakani ke soskular Rangdajied FC kan penpriang ka khubor naga benta ka Meghalaya Tourism bat iki jindan kam juga nika football club an Kyrshan bat Beijing lut dakani ke tenat penroi iki kam jengok kai Pyrthei jong ka Jylla. Bah Andrew Suting, General Manager jang Rangdajied, ula pynpaw ya ka jingkmen halor ka nika soskular, baru khmih lynti bat angnud ba Rangdajied bat ka Meghalaya Tourism, kiew irat hakikam shakri paidbah, hakidiki bnai bat ki snem banwan. Ula ongru bada ka nika soskular, ka Meghalaya Tourism bat Rangdajied Football Club, pynpaw Pyrthei haka nika thain bat hakari India baroh kawei. Ka Jylla Meghalaya kabala benanam khmih ki Jylla kari India bat haka Pyrthei bakade ka Jylla kaba itynnat bat kadai ru ka Jylla kaba pynmih bun kino yele kai ba tebet khamtam haka football kanang pau susu da ka jingmi khmat jang Rangdajied FC haki lempung yele kai football ki banlong haki por banwan. Kino penya ya Rangdajied FC kila pynpaw ya ka jing sngongu ya menteri rangba konrad ke sangma ba di menteri ki kam penroi jengok kai Pyrthei ba pol lengdo kibala pen-i de ki kam tang de kaktin ban kentie ki samla ka Jylla ha baroh kylleng khamtam hakika melek kai ba bonjat bat ya ka football hagju ka por ka company so jan phong yelek kai ba paunam jo ka Pyrthei Puma kala jet ya ka Rangdajied Football Club ban long ka team ka ban kup ban phong hamadan yelek kai de ki riam ki bet Puma ki ban shat phalang shagi khmat jong ki nong pet kai kum ki rang yelek kai football ki ba iklan ki badon renyeng bat ki ba smart basting kini kiriam ki bet naka company Puma ken kentiu ya ka Rangdajied FC bat ya ka company thanjan shaki kenjang ki ba hajrong ban khring ni ki noi lek kai ban jet da kum kini kiriam bat ki jan phong haba ki mi halempung ya kop baharukom Shen ka Rangdajied FC kan mi Pyrthei ban yakhun ka kerdan 3rd division ha Goa da karyam ka bet Puma bat kan shat phalang ru ya ka nam ka buram jong ka Meghalaya Tourism ha ka te ka Jylla.
I think I don't have much to say here apart from the main reason why we are here today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Department of Tourism, Meghalaya. I would like to thank Mr. Paul Lingdo, our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, and our Director, Mr. Cyril Dingdo. I think I felt that they understood what we wanted and what we wanted to do with regards to sports in the state, and we would like to thank them for accepting our proposal with regards to Meghalaya Tourism being our main sponsor. As you can see in the backdrop here, Meghalaya Tourism is all over the backdrop, and Meghalaya Tourism are the main sponsors for Rangdajied United FC in the season 2023-2024. And as you can see, we've also in the past 3-4 months had talks with Puma, which is an international clothing brand which represent sports all over the world and innovation as well. So you can see that Puma has come on board on the same mindset that they also believe in the vision that we have for this club. So we are proud to announce that Puma is our official kit partner for the season 2023-24. And we would also like to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. Without fitness, without a proper training, I think it is, like I said, we wanted to have the performance center is for that reason. So we were proud to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. And lastly, I would like to announce that obviously football without the fans, football without coverage is nothing. So we would like to announce that T7 is our media partner, and I'm sure that people would want to know more about a team when they travel to Goa and when they play the matches. I think it's important of being updated. So I would like to thank T7 for coming on board and being our media partner. And this is it. And appreciation towards the school management, to the teachers for creating a pathway for the girls in their school and for allowing us to be a part of the journey. And in the near future, we are to come to a football schools will eventually be representing our club, and hopefully with the pathway that we are going to be providing, with news coming up in the near future of the pathway for our football school kids, where we'll give them a platform so that they'll not only be playing football in Shillong, but an opportunity to play in the rest of the country and maybe abroad, and hopefully it'll create a pathway for them to make football their profession. And the most exciting thing about the Rangdajied Football Club in the coming months, we are looking forward to opening our first sports performance center at Pynpaw. The vision of having a sports facility, a performance facility in Shillong is very critical. In order for us to compete with mainland India, I think a performance center is critical. So the vision that we had, I think, came into fruition in the past 6-7 months. I think the general manager Andrew, myself, and our previous technical director Kyrshan, and our advisor as well, we had a brainstorm session about how do we bring about change and how do we get our players up to the mark and be ready for competitive football once they go out of the state. So we felt the need for a performance center, and this will be the first performance center probably here in the Northeast, and we are hopeful that it will be a performance center not only for football but other sports as well. And in the near future, we are also looking at a football-centric center in Mongap, which will cater to not only our teams, but also hopefully we can get teams from outside the state to come and use our facility. So, and our management in us achieving this goal. A year back, when we took charge of the club, I think our vision was to obviously go back into the national scene, probably in 5 years' time. But I think we felt, in the past 1 year, things took a drastic turn. I think I felt the way we ran the club, the way our coaching staff took care of our players, I think it is a testament of our achievements. So in the past year, we were runners-up in the Shillong Premier League. We were third in the Reliance Under-21 League. But most importantly, we were champions of the Meghalaya State League, which I think was the pinnacle of our success the past year. And like we said, Ibor and myself have been very passionate about football in Meghalaya, and we've always shared our vision on what we want for our kids here. So in the past 1 year, we've worked towards that, and obviously the success in the MSL gave us an opportunity to represent the state in the 3rd division by virtue being the champions of Meghalaya. So here we are today with regards to our team participating in the inaugural 3rd division I-League run by the All India Football Federation. And if we qualify from the 3rd division, in this current season, 2023-24, we would qualify for the 2nd division of the current season, 23-24. So we look forward to a great performance by our boys, and hopefully we can make it to the 2nd division. And just a past history of what we have done in the past 1 year. So in last October, we started our first football school center at Meghalaya, with close to 80 kids in our first admission batch, and we have close to about 200 kids now just at the Meghalaya center. And we have another center at Moplang, which we opened in the month of Jan 2023. There we have close to about 150 kids. And we have recently opened up all girls football school center at Paimon, which kumbang ilakan ane pangka vision namata ni club ni lai pu bari hendrai snem ba ko snem ka ideology joka jimot ke prakat ke jongi ba ingin sai rong biang sepoka national scene ba nama paidbah football te hendrai angka jing preshitom jong coaching staff ba management baki players kamtam tingila yo ya ka jing job ha ka MSL wat kumba kalong apo ka an batumai jong ka All India Football Federation ki champion jong ka state ki automatically ki qualify sa third division jong ka I League. So by virtue of that mangi tengi kasyong hangi pa ni tre pensim ya kata ka benta lang apo ka third division. Te kum ba ni snow ba ki kena ki atristom ki kena ki don kasap kapapit kapiang tengi ru ni syong lai perkat tengi ang ba kadai ka platform ka bahatam namentara ki kena jongi lada ngim ai ka platform ki lada ngim play ka lynti ki kumno kin po sya kata ka thong kumbanga net scam ba kini baroh kidang kata ka thong ba ha kawei kasmi kini lakai ki team ki bat top up bala betta ma po ka ri India ba kumjo hi bakin mi kwa naga ri India hi kawei third division ka lapia haki South League zone right in a second South League zone po ko we zone kidon ko basan team and team te kani ka first round ka second round ru kanobek at a neutral venue kampate ko home and away kuma kilo po ka second division so final round ba ka league yes right apa ini makata te hoy tolong banlakai namata kari to obviously you have to be update bucket side tam po ka performance jong pi ka kam haba kabani ko kabade piban lakai mana game kata dia basic criteria masih mapila lakai mana game ka nama coach jong kari India has knowledge that you play no if lakai sinano kam sam ka performance tai sima fi perform ba ta tikana fi lakai mana game Def lakai mana ke bilakai bah lat kena pin po sya ka list jangka maybe the first list of players kiban po ya po ka camp jangka Indian team but hadin kata atrai ka syong ka performance jangki ha po ka camp lakin po sya ka Indian team ni bro kawei